Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about Midjourney. Creating images with AI is starting to become almost addictive, although unfortunately, the more advanced ones are only accessible by a few users. Today we have good news for those looking to test the possibilities of these AIs. DALL-E 2 is still under invitation, but one of its main alternatives, Midjourney, has entered open beta today. Midjourney's level of quality is much more advanced than that of DALL-E Mini. It has been in closed beta for several months, but has now decided to expand its availability so that more users can experiment with the creativity of its canvases. Each AI has a particular style. In the case of Midjourney, we would not know at first glance whether it is better or worse than DALL-E 2. Certainly, the results are very striking, perhaps with a more artistic but exaggerated style. While DALL-E 2 is more realistic and the images are better structured and defined, Midjourney bets on creating a kind of canvas. In some cases, it produces images more similar to what we are looking for, while in other cases there is some deformation. One of the advantages of Midjourney is that it allows producing base images up to 1792 x 1024 pixels, which makes slightly larger images, and where the AI has more space to create. Behind Midjourney are a dozen researchers who have decided to create a small company around this AI, a tool that is available through a bot integrated into their Discord community. To access this Discord community you need an invitation, but the organization itself has extended this availability and is offering it for free to all those interested. If you are curious to try Midjourney, we recommend you to access it now that their servers are still active. When it comes to using it is very simple, as in the rest of AIs. Simply type /imagine plus a descriptive text and the bot will generate 4 images in 60 seconds. Once the image is created, Midjourney will allow users to create variations and enlargements of each of them, in case you want a better defined image or a different one of the same idea. The possibilities are enormous and the result is fascinating. Midjourney was the AI used by several authors to create works of art of fantasy and sinister horror, taking advantage of the particular style of their creations. We invite you all to sign up for the beta and enjoy exploring the possibilities of artificial intelligence. Here ends our video on Midjourney. We hope you find it useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.